So in today's video, we are going to be testing out these Amazon bottle opener keychains. We are going to be subbing on these, so if you want to see how well they work, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos, so if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. So these are the Wayland Sublimation bottle opener keychains. They come in a 5-pack. They are $7.99 on Amazon. I will have them linked down below. They are a sublimation blank. So they're made for sublimation. So I have my designs. I'm gonna be doing 3 keychains. What's really nice is that these come individually wrapped. So if you wanna give them away as a gift, like they're already individually wrapped for you, which is really nice. So I'm gonna take 3 of them. So we're gonna open them up. And it comes the key blank like this. That's the bottle opener. And then separate metal piece, which is what we're going to be subbing on. So I'm going to pun this part away. Okay, so I'm going to see if there's a film on there, which there is. So just go in the corner and just dig your nail there and then take off that plastic film. And then I'm just going to take my blank and I'm going to flip it over. So the white part goes on your design. That's the part you're going to be subbing on. So I'm going to get my heat tape and I'm going to line it up as best as I can. So I'm going to get my heat tape and I'm just going to tape it down. Bring that tape around like that. So I'm gonna do that for all of them. Okay, now we're gonna move to our heat press to press these. So I have my heat press set to 385 degrees and I'm gonna put some crafts paper underneath. I'm gonna take what we just prepared and I'm gonna put it on here, and then I'm gonna take another piece of crafts paper and I'm putting that on top, and we're gonna press for 60 seconds. Make sure you have a good amount of pressure. Make sure you have your heat gloves because these are gonna be hot because they're metal. So I'm just gonna move this over so that we can reveal them together. I'm gonna just flip this over and I'm gonna take they actually cooled off really fast. I don't know if it's because they're smaller, but I'm gonna take the tape off. So you can see when you have a good amount of pressure, you'll be able to see. See, this is honestly speaking paper, and look how much was released. So again, see how much was released? So now we're gonna take our keychains and this white paper here, you're gonna remove that and there's gonna be stickiness. This is very similar to like how we do the cell phone cases and stuff like that. So you're gonna remove it. You're gonna take, saw a cool trick recently where you take your heat tape, you place it on the substrate like that, and then you kind of hover over to kind of get a good fit, and then once you have it where you want it, just press down and then you remove the heat tape. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for all of them. Again, we're removing this white film. You just really gotta get in there. Maybe if you had a weeding tool or something like that, it might just be easier to get off. So again, I'm gonna take my heat tape. I'm gonna put it on this part we sublimated on, and I'm just gonna hover over. And once I have it where I want it, I'm gonna press it down, take the heat tape away. And I got this tip from the creator of Honestly Speaking. And it's freaking clever trick for sure. Just like that. I love how these turned out. They're really good quality. They feel heavy duty, like they feel like good quality keychains. Like I said, they're 5 for $7.99. I don't know if there's anywhere that sells them cheaper, but if you know, you need to make an order for someone right away, Amazon Prime to the rescue. Like, they're so cute. The colors, they subbed really, really well. Really well. I'm really impressed with how these turned out. So let me know down below if you guys try them out as well, if you like how they look, or let me know if you know anywhere where you can find these even cheaper. They're awesome gifts, like stocking stuffers, or just like a little personal gift, just because I love them. They're affordable, and I'll definitely be buying some more of these. I love how they turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. We're on our way to 8,000 subscribers. When I get to 10,000, I will be doing a huge giveaway. I think I already know what I'm gonna give away. We'll see. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.